Step into the 2018 Kia Soul. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.